There's only one way to maintain a simple, natural look with a wig, and it's with April Lace Wigs. Hey guys, welcome back again to yet another hair review. It is your baby girl, Mama Dyna Ekwueme, and in today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing a beautiful U-part 22-inch wig from April Lace Wigs. This is the first time I'm working with this brand, and in this particular video I got a hairstylist as usual that would help me just get this look to fruition. This is what was sent to us via mail, the hair, a wig cap, instructions and manual on how to use this hair, maintain this hair, and to just get it going. Anyway, as you can see, look at this gorgeousness, look at this hair. It is such a beauty to behold. This is the Italian Yaki human hair U-part wig, and as you can see, this is absolutely 100% natural as it comes. Look at the texture. The density is 150%, so it's standard. I'm not seeing anything like this. When I had this hair done, it just blended with my natural hair. As you can see, the color, as you can see, the wig itself, it comes secured. You don't have to worry if your wig is gonna fall out. It has loads of hooks, loads of pullback strings, band, what have you, to just secure it firmly to your hair. And the beautiful and amazing thing about this is it doesn't tangle. It just feels really natural. Throughout this video, my hairstylist just did an amazing job getting this hair installed. There is actually nothing much. Within 10 minutes, we were done. There is nothing much to do on this hair. I just wanted her to sew the U-part to my hair so it doesn't come out. I don't want to be taking it off and putting it back on and then just worrying about all of that. So I just asked her to sew the whole thing in so it's gonna stay longer on my hair, because this is just very natural. Look at the hair, it blends with my natural hair. So like I said, my hairstylist did an amazing job just getting the hair to just blend with my hair. She used a straightener, she used hot comb. Of course, my hair is very natural, so she just had to straighten it a little bit to blend a bit more with the wig. But if you're looking to purchase this hair, if you love what you see, do check the description area below. You're going to see all the details of this hair. You can go to www.aprilllacewigs.com and purchase this particular hair. All the details, like I said, will be in the description area below. You're going to get discount if you click on the link in this particular video to purchase this particular hair. At this point of this video, you can already see how amazingly well done she had installed this hair. I had to just style it differently for you guys to see. You can work with this wig however you want. You can choose to just leave everything as it comes. You can put a band on it. You can style it up, pack it up however you want. You can tie it to a bun. It looks very natural. So whatever you can do to your natural hair, you can do with this wig. This wig is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. Like I said, this is the Italian Yaki human hair U-part wig from April Lace Wigs, and I absolutely love this wig. It is gorgeous. It suits my personality, it suits my style. I could wear this to any occasion and still rock that occasion. You can wear any sort of jewelry, whether it's a bold look you're going for or a soft look, whatever look you're looking to go for, this wig will do it for you definitely. Anyway, guys, if you absolutely love what you see, check the description area, click the link, check it out, and hopefully I see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.